Cryptocurrency. The digital revolution of money. Cryptocurrency is more than just a buzzword. It's a technological and economic revolution that has challenged traditional financial systems, inspired millions of investors, and sparked countless debates around the future of money. From Bitcoin's mysterious beginnings to the explosive growth of Ethereum, decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs, cryptocurrency continues to evolve in both significance and complexity. This article explores the journey of cryptocurrency from concept to global phenomenon. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and typically run on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger maintained across a network of computers. This decentralization means that no single authority, like a central bank, controls the currency. Instead, consensus algorithms and cryptographic techniques ensure the integrity and transparency of the network. The origins, a quest for digital cash. The idea of digital currency isn't new. It dates back to the 1980s and 1990s when cryptographers like David Chaum created systems like DigiCash, which aim to provide anonymous digital transactions. These early efforts failed, largely due to centralization, limited adoption, and regulatory resistance. The breakthrough came in 2008, in the wake of the global financial crisis. A white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was published by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. In it, Nakamoto proposed a decentralized currency that would enable trustless, secure transactions without relying on financial institutions. On January 3, 2009, the Genesis block, the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, was mined. Bitcoin was born. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. Bitcoin solved a fundamental problem in digital systems: double spending. Tron,